What's up guys, you're watching this tutorial and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error and the error is E28223b400 unable to connect to the server. It's a simply network error or server error. So here I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we go to the screen and then go to the settings. Here we are at the then user and account. You must check your user and account is login, PSN account, and your console login settings. Your console is logged in or not. Sometimes you need to console sign in and then go to the network, view PlayStation network services. You just check it here. If you get the red option here, you just wait so you will fix this up automatically. If you get all is green, then server is working up and good. You have a local internet problem. So you must go to check your setup internet connection, frequency setting, DNS settings, MTU settings. DNS settings, you can change it. Primary DNS, secondary DNS manually, search it which one is working good in your country. You just put it back here and connect with the new connection. So you also do with the LAN WAN also the same settings, but I'm just going to suggest you use a LAN WAN cable from your router to PlayStation 5 simply and then connect or set up a new connection. It will be fixed. And if the server is down, you just wait. Sony will fix this up automatically. You do nothing. And I hope so found my video helpful for you. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.